welcome back to my channel Medical Stores. So today I am going to suggest you a book for microbiology. uh, so this is the book which I think it will be easy for you to read microbiology. This book you can download it from Google, like just put the name. It's Clinical Microbiology Made Ridiculously Simple. You can also download the latest edition of this book. You will get it easily. So why I am suggesting you this book is because this book has these tables are given like for each type of organism, which is just describes you the important points of a particular bacteria or viruses. And also this book has some diagrams. Yeah, this type of diagrams, this is about the bacteria, like how does the bacteria functions. So these diagrams, they have given it for every organism, for every bacteria, for every viruses, how does it acts in our body. Like they have given in pretty much easy way, and which will be easy for us to understand. Okay, so this book covers all topic of microbiology. First they describes the bacteria, the gram positive, gram negative, acid fast bacteria, bacteria without cell wall, antibacterial medication. Yes, they also have a different topic for the medication of the bacteria. Same for the fungi, they also have a section for the medication. For viruses, they also have the section for medication of viruses. So in this book you can do microbiology with a bit of pharmacology including in this. And the thing I like about this book is the diagrams, only the diagrams. Like our brain has the ability to remember certain things, not just by reading the notes but the diagram. We can remember the diagram and any bacteria related to it very much easily. So I will suggest you to download this book. It is very good book. They have given for everything, they have given through diagrams, each bacteria, each viruses, the tables. These tables are very good, just to do a last minute revision. It's a very good table, and I will suggest you to download this book from Google. You can find it easily. If in case if someone doesn't get this book on Google, you can just mail the link, the mail which is showing on the video. You can mail there, you can request for the book, and you will get the copy of this book easily. Okay, so hope you like this video and hope you will like this book. Thank you. See you in my next video.